Shenyang Bida Steel Structure Engineering Company Limited was founded in 2021, specializing in design, fabrication, global sales, and consulting service of steel structure warehouse, steel structure hangar, steel structure plant, and other buildings. The factory is located in Shenyang City with convenient transportation. It covers an area of 30,000 square meters and has a number of complete high-tech production lines equipped with flame cutting machine, CNC laser cutting and drilling machines, H-beam assembly machines, automatic welding machine, straightening machine, and shot blasting, etc. Approximately 20,000 tons of steel structures are produced annually. Also, we are committed to strict quality control and considerate customer service. We can provide MTC weld inspection report and paint thickness measurement according to the corresponding projects. For international projects, we can provide CE certificate for European markets and CWB certificate for Canadian standards meeting diverse global requirements. Meanwhile, we welcome customers to send a tripartite quality inspection team to inspect the goods in factory, which we fully support to ensure the quality of the products. In addition, our experienced specialists are always ready to discuss your needs and ensure complete customer satisfaction. We support a variety of design software to accomplish any of your ideas and building plans. Understanding deviations are resolved as much as possible, and all design details are presented perfectly. Ensure your building project is foolproof from pre to after sale. Our products are exported to North America, South America, Central America, Western Europe, and other countries and regions. Whether you choose one from our existing catalogs or a customized one, we can provide you with one-stop comprehensive assistance to meet your various needs.